Hi, my name's Devin. I'm here at Maple Toyota. Today we wanted to show you one of the accessories available to your 2021 Toyota Tundras. I have Erickson over here installing the TRD Performance Exhaust. He's one of our accessory specialists here. What we're doing is we've taken off the stock exhaust. It's a single pipe exhaust, and we're going to the TRD Performance Exhaust, which gives us a strong, mighty roar, as well as a black chrome tip finisher on it. Something like this costs $1,615 installed on the vehicle. It takes us about half a day to get it done, but this is something we do on a regular basis here at Maple Toyota. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us here at Maple Toyota. Make it easy, make it Maple.